Looking for help with resolving technical issues on your HP products? Try other digital options for your support needs. Looking for an HP authorized service center in your area? Try our Service Center Locator. Enter the city or postal code and then click Search to easily locate the nearest HP authorized service center around you. Do you need help to fix technical issues with your HP computer or printer? Try our efficient online diagnostic tool. It is quick and easy to fix issues with HP computers and printers. Check the warranty of your product. The Check Warranty Status feature now enables you to check the warranty on multiple products. Check out our gallery with a wide range of troubleshooting and how-to support videos for both printing and computing issues. Looking to purchase a new HP product? Looking to order supplies? Please visit our online store to check out the latest products and offers.